Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka paret. But pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukolahu number. Kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riwe kandai pra.
Ka New Trip Youth Council kalabu jingkeli ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam daga National People's Party halor ka jingtung chairman haki Regional Planning Board daki MDC ki bakuntup dauba Bajap pengrop ubadai u MDC jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat yau Rakesh Sangma ubalong u MDC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council haka jinya keren bat kilat patai kubor haka arpulai terik ujumang arjar arpulai u General Secretary ka HYC uba Roy Kupar Sanrem ulaong baka jingtung chairman daga Sorkar yakini ki arngut ki MDC kalong tangban sipunhun namarba kila penyaso yala di bat ka National People's Party bat nalor kata lasu siu daga pisah syakini ki arngut klem datung pat ya ka board ka bapura kumbalale hakapor danglong menteri rangba u Dr. Didi Lapang
jingwat RTI ka jongi na po planning department kala ngilayo ro ya kawe ka kot lana ka order ka ba chief minister ujongi house hakani ka term ka belalai u konrat ke sangma haka arnyo trik jong u April arja arfuar ulah tho sha u commissioner secretary jong ka planning department government of Meghalaya da ka ba u tha yo commissioner secretary ba dei bantung yakini arngut ki brio ka we u dei bajak pengrup MDC kum u chairman jong kata ka regional planning and development council na ka benta ka Khasi Hills bat kabaar bantung ya utau Rakesh ke Sangma u MDC na po Garo Hills kum u chairman jong ka Regional Planning and Development Board lane council nam ta ka Garo Hills hakani ka jingmat jingtip ka jongi ngiyo ru ba kani ka jingtung yakini ki regional councils na ka benta ka Khasi Hills bat nam ta ka Garo Hills lale tengru hosnem arjar saw hakapor ba u Dr. Didi Lapang uday kum chief minister ne kabaya fair pat hakapor jong Dr. Didi Lapang kum chief minister bat hakani kapor jong Konrad Sangma kum chief minister kalong ba hakapor jong Dr. Didi Lapang kum chief minister lathung yang kini regional council ban head da cabinet minister hapo Khasi Hills region hakapor jong Didi Lapang haka notification ba penmi do governor ka Arsantrik jong November arjar saw lathung yu Dr. Don Kupar Roy badai deputy chief minister to kapor bu unlong u chairman jong ta council but ki khot jong kata council kinde ki cabinet minister na po Khasi Hills region but haringkat u chief executive member jong ka KHDC CM jong ka JHDC ki deputy commissioner jong kini ki Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills Ribhoi but Giant Hills but ubanlong ko members ke 3 jong kata ka board lani ka council unde commissioner of division nakabentang Khasi Hills lara fi page po Garo Hills lakli atau kapor ya ka council ya kata ka regional council da Dr. Mukul Sangma ubade cabinet minister ki dekat ki cabinet minister na po Garo Hills but kiway pat ki official member kinde ki DC jong ki district but us get 3 members get 3 undai u commissioner of division ting ngimyo iru hangni ban ong ba hakapor batung u Dr. Didi Lapang ban klik ya kita ke regional council jong kini ki artli ki region ka Khasi region ba Garo region ban ong ba chairman lani ki ban ong chairman lani undro kanu ka jingyo na ka Sorkar namar long u chairman kum u cabinet minister undai ban ong chairman kum balong menta thung yo bajok pengru ba diau tau Rakesh Sangma ki MDC balai la thong itep ha bajok perung urung hapok MDC hapok NPP ka lai poetry march arpunyo tarik u Konrad Sangma ong thungno u kum chairman jok regional council Rakesh Sangma la don gatu kontroversi penhiar u kum CM jong ka GHDC thungno u kum chairman jok ka regional council ndrei klem thong lane klem constitute pat ya ka buat thung ta thung u bajok pengrup MDC kum chairman jok ka regional council ndrei klem constitute pat ya ka buat baro khawai ya Rakesh Sangma ja ka Garo Hills region kolong kumju hi hot yakini lan di notify haus nam arja arpulai shwa ka election dei ka ba penlengo yang i kalong kane ba kumnu fi constitute ya kata regional council klaim constitute ya kebuat ibarat kawai pitung ya Sharman klaim tung ya kebuat ibarat kawai kabar ka jingkeli ka bangi kwa mengkeli ka longba hakipur ka baladam kli ya kata ke regional council da cabinet minister rang menta pipen kli ya regional council da MDC pimut kumnu bau MLA la ne cabinet minister jong ka Khasils region wan shong hapo ka meeting ka man kli do MDC kumnu DC jong ki district ke badan hapo Khasil region kin wan shong meeting hapo ka chairmanship jong MDC kalong ka ikai ka bang ngim sola ban pediang ngi so thu bakini ki datang ki jing penhun na ka menta jong nu ban serve ka political interest jong nu nang ban penhun hadien bala wan rung ha ka seng ka jong ki shukwa bantung but hang ni ru finu i ta kumju claim constitute ya ka buat kumbala le akipor government shwa ndai la thung mu chairman la shio ai pat ya ka pisa jong pat ba ubajok pengrup MDC jong ka ramrai ula draw ya ki perk san ki badai bu unyo tat hadu snam arca arpulai kumban riulak tam tingka ka pisa claim shong meeting claim shong AA shu shim bet tang yak pisa jong pat ba ti kanir ka de ka bangimla ban pediang bat ka jingkli mangi kwa ban bu rahmat jong u konrak sangma kalong ba ha bangila don ya ka Meghalaya state planning board baling idon kam sa kata ka regional planning board ngidon ya ka Meghalaya state planning board ka ba pitong hi ki MLA ki banlong kum kita ki chairman ki co-chairman balay pat mentang idon kam sa kita ki regional planning board te kani hot kiladap di notify ya kanin rega jing dawa ka jong ina kaliang jong aseng kalong ba mdai shu bantung ya mdai shu bantung ki regional council la ki regional planning board nam ta Khasil baka bat ka Garo Hills balada thungru de bentung de ki cabinet minister rang ki ba omdon kam mansiu e naka plating kala ne naka pisa jong pat ba